Welcome to the call and response video. We're going to look at some soloing techniques that you can use that are called call and response. A lot of times when we play a musical statement, it's almost like a sentence. And then we can play one part, and then we can play a second part that sounds similar, but it's kind of like in response to that. Almost like it's mimicking the first part. The first part is the call, and the second part is the response. We're going to look at a series of exercises that we can try to kind of give you the idea. So here we are in Figure 1, an example of a call and response. The first measure, that's the call. And then that's the response. That's in the second measure. Here's the call. The response. You see they're both quite similar, almost mirror opposites of each other. In Figure 2, we'll go to the rolling call. It's asking a question. And then, what would be the proper response? Well, that would be in Figure 3. Let's try putting them both together. Here's the call, Figure 2. And there's the third figure, a proper response. Now let's go to Figure 4, which is in the beginner's box. Both the call and response there. We end high, and then respond with ending on low. It's just a counterpoint. The response is just a counterpoint to the call. Now in Figure 5, we have we're going to slide into the B and high E strings at the 5th fret. This is our call. And then here's our response. We can variate this up a little bit. Let's try playing both notes at the same time. So the first measure is our call, and the second measure is our response. Let's move on to Figure 6, a challenging call. A little something to give you a challenge. Figure 7. That would be our response to Figure 6. You don't have to play the same notes every time, but it gives you an idea of kind of mimicking. Here's the first part. And then Figure 7 again, the response. Some food for thought for you. just a common technique that you'll find in blues soloing, the call and response. And again, there's no right way to do this. It's all done with, your own, what you think should be done there. And usually if you stay in the correct scale pattern, you should be okay.